Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on Google Play Store in TCL 406. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here, if we try to locate the game like Call of Duty, the icon for it is right here, but when you click on that, nothing happens. And to fix it, we'll need to go back to our homepage of Google Play Store and click on the top right corner of our screen to open settings, then family, enter parental controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely with a switch or go for apps and games, insert the PIN code, click on OK and increase the PG to at least 16. You can go for 18 if you like. Now let's go back and look for the same apps like Call of Duty, and now we can actually install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.